Have you ever wondered why the US has more tornadoes than anywhere else? Every year, the United States experiences hundreds of tornadoes, more than any other country in the world. Most of them happen in a region known as Tornado Alley, right in the center of the country. Here's why. Warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico moves north, while cold, dry air comes down from Canada. When they collide, the atmosphere becomes unstable. That instability creates rotating storms. And under the right conditions, those storms can turn into powerful tornadoes. And when they touch the ground, they can destroy everything in their path within minutes. So it's not random, it's geography, weather, and timing, and it's not going away anytime soon.